Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to make carrot powder at home, which you can use in cooking, making your skincare and hair care products. So let's go. To make carrot powder, you'll be needing fresh carrots, fresh organic carrots. I have washed and peeled them, so they are very clean, and now we can go ahead and make the powder without having any kind of dirt in it. So the first step is to grate the carrot so that it will be easier to dry. Carrots are rich in beta carotene, vitamin C. It can prevent UV damage. It has antioxidants, and it can also help in brightening the skin. Carrot is very rich and very great for the skin. Carrots should be in your skincare routine and in your diet as well. Now after grating, you're going to spread it on a tray, or you can use a paper, or you can use a plate before we sun dry it. And the reason why we are sun drying these carrots is to make sure that there is no water in the carrots before we make our powder, because if your powder contains water, then be rest assured that that powder is going to have a very short shelf life. So in order to increase the shelf life of our powder, we need to sun dry the carrots. So I'll take it out and sun dry now. This is after 2 days of constant sun drying. Our carrot is completely dried and there is no water in it anymore. Now we can go ahead and blend it. I'll blend it now and I'll bring it back. So I have blended the dried carrots and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's now in a powdered form, but it still has some clumps in it because it's not finely ground. So now we are going to sieve it in order to get a fine powder, and then we can discard the clumps. So now I'm going to sieve it gradually until all the powder is done. Please note that the length of time it will take your carrots to dry will depend on your region and the weather. So mine took just 2 days, so it might be more or less for you. After sieving, this is the chaff. You can use this to make a scrub. And that's it. Our carrot powder is ready. This carrot powder is so rich, and you can use it in cooking. You can use it to make your skincare products, your hair care products. You can use it as a face mask. You can use it in virtually anything. It's rich in vitamin C, and it's great for skin brightening and brightening of dull skin. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, please click on the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel for more beautiful recipes like this. Bye, and see you in my next video.